Just wanted to welcome you to this first video of this, I guess it's kind of a free course for beginners on how to set up and manage AdWords campaigns, or as I call them now, Google Ads campaigns. And in today's video, just gonna briefly walk you through the different campaign types available to you and how each of them works. So you can choose to create the campaign that's best suited for what you're trying to do in AdWords. All right, so if you've been to our channel before, you'll know we specialize mostly in lead generation. We don't really do e-com or sales-oriented stuff for Shopify or anything like that. There is a few other channels where you can check that stuff out. But for us, it's mostly lead generation, so that's what we specialize in, and we just stick to what we're good at. So first off, if you're in your AdWords account, okay, and you go into your campaigns tab, and you might be looking around and wondering what all this is, how you create a campaign is simple. You're just going to hit this little plus sign that says new campaign, and I'm going to walk you through the different types. All right, so first you have to choose what your goal is. All right, is it sales? Is it leads? Is it just website traffic? Is it getting your brand out there? Do you want to promote an app? More brand awareness stuff. All right, so this is, you can see here, campaign types: display and video, search, display, shopping. All right, shopping's more e-commerce. Display is in the video above this one, you should have saw Ed went through what search and display and shopping is. So it's kind of all those types. Leads, you can do search, display, shopping, video. Video is more for brand stuff too. So basically you would come in here and you would choose what your goal is. All right, so for our leads, we'll say, all right, leads. And then it comes down, you get to select your campaign type. All right, so here's our options for if we're just trying to generate leads. We have search. All right, and it gives you a little explanation here. Generate customer leads with text or call ads that show near search results of google.com. So when someone types something into google.com and it triggers one of your keywords that you're going after, your ad's going to show up and they're going to visit your landing page or website and they're going to call you or become a lead. All right, so that's what search is. Search is anything that somebody searches in Google and you capture that traffic. Display is a little different. So it gives you a little synopsis on display. Collect email addresses and other relevant contact information from the right people with visually striking ads that show across the web. All right, so these are more, display ads are more like banner ads that you see on websites. Like if you go to like Huffington Post or Drudge Report or something like that, you'll see those giant banner ads that come across the top or on the sides. Those are display ads, all right? They're just graphics that when someone clicks them, they take you to a website or landing page. That's all display is. For lead generation purposes, I would stay away from display. That's just my personal opinion. Search is where it's at. That's what you want to be doing. If you're doing lead generation, you need to be doing search, okay? And no display. Shopping is pretty much what it sounds like. It's for e-commerce, Shopify stores, any type of store where you can just buy something right on the website. Generate leads and conversions by encouraging people to interact with your shopping ads, all right? Next up is video. Generate customer leads and conversion with video ad formats designed to encourage people to express interest and take action. All right, so your ads will show on video platforms, I mean mainly YouTube, and you can, I'm sure you guys all watch the YouTube videos and those little things pop up in the bottom right corner. It says a call to action or something like that, or a total video ad plays before your video plays, which are super annoying. Those are this is where you would create those ads, okay? So that's it. These are the 4 campaign types we'll be doing for lead generation. Obviously, we want to be doing search. We want the most highest intent leads we can get, all right? We're going to do that by utilizing search, all right? So in the next video, we're going to go in and we're just going to start building a live campaign, and you'll be able to just build yours alongside me step by step. So besides that, I need you guys to give me a thumbs up on this video, share this video if you can, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to do that because we drop content daily, and make sure you check out the links in the description. I put some cool stuff in there for you guys, including a link to our free Facebook group where we talk about PPC and different tactics and strategies. There's one for our free AdWords optimization ebook, which is going to be coming handy for you shortly. Once you know how to build AdWords campaigns, you're going to need that. There's one to our website where we just have all kinds of different information, blogs, stuff like that, so check that out as well. Besides that, guys, I'll catch you in the next video.